In this video I'm going to show you some differences I found in the 2019 Tacoma compared to the 2018 and 2017. First, the 19 no longer have this pocket here. It's gone. I have no idea where they took it out. I really like that pocket, but it's gone. They still have the right pocket, and then the second one is the tailgate now. Automatically lock with the locks. You could hear it. And then third one, but it's not a big deal, is the standard knob. Looks like the TRD Pro knob, which is very nice. Feels good. And the third change, no more compass in the mirror. It's gone. The third thing is the steering wheel, although it's not leather wrapped, but you can see the stitching and it feels like it's leather wrapped. I have no idea if it's leather wrapped or not, but it feels like it is. That's about it. Everything else seems the same except the transmission. The 19 feels a lot better, shifts better. I think it's a software update. Alright. So, if you're looking for a used Tacoma, I think the 2018 might be a better deal for you.